I forgot to add this part into the video and I finished it and I realized afterwards I didn't include it. So let me give you a quick run through now. The bonus insider tip, the software that I use to build my funnel. Over the years, I have spent so much money, I'm embarrassed to admit. I've made a ton of mistakes. I've had some good things happen. I've had some crappy things happen. But at the end of the day, I've learned a lot. And when I learn, I continue to grow myself. I have learned about the software called Thrivecart. It is amazing and I cannot speak highly enough of it. Thrivecart really changed my business for me because it enabled me as a solopreneur to get my offers up and running. It enabled me to make changes quickly without any trouble. I was able to template everything. I was able to reproduce and scale at speed, and also able to help my clients do the same. So if you're thinking about building a book funnel, or you're thinking about delivering a course, or you want to sell something online, check it out. This is a short paragraph I've written about Thrivecart. I've also included a link. I contacted Thrivecart just last week and I asked them for a special deal. They've sent me across this deal, which I couldn't believe because I was paying up to $3,000 a year for one particular software, and now I don't have to pay that ever again. So the deal here is the Thrivecart lifetime license special offer. This is the top level, and this includes the training portal as well as the sales portal. There's two parts to it, so when you click the link you'll get the option to upgrade. Definitely take it. Do not hesitate. It is worth every cent. You'll be able to put this in place for your business to sell products, create offers, upsells, downsells, courses and ebooks. You can connect it to your website, you can take payments, you can put your own domain on it. So if you don't have a website or you have one, you can use a subdomain. If you purchase the video course, the book funnel blueprint, I will go into detail how to build it out. So don't stress, it's all included. You can take payment, you can manage refunds. If you want to use affiliates to distribute your product and get more people into your space, you can pay them a commission for selling. So you basically create a special link in Thrivecart, attach it to different products, and they can share it. And every time they get a sale, they get paid a portion of the sale amount, and then you keep the rest. But the reason that you do that is A, you get access to a bigger audience, and B, you can sell more products if that's important to you. You can build custom funnels in Thrivecart really quickly and easily. Now, once I did it twice, I was like, okay, this is pretty straightforward. The beginning is always a learning curve, but it becomes a lot easier. And as I mentioned in the book funnel blueprint, I go through the tutorial how to do it. You can build out a very simple landing page. You can build out additional content to share more information, build out simple courses. You can automate delivery, payment, manage a customer service. Pretty much I was able to remove 4 software services from my business and replace it with Thrivecart. I paid $6.90 myself. I have a lifetime license, which means I never have to pay a fee again. Hooray, hooray. I hate paying monthly fees. Nothing drives me more nuts. So this has been a really good thing. Anyway, that was a very quick overview of Thrivecart for the book funnel. If you don't like Thrivecart or you somehow just want something even more simple, head over to bookfunnel.com. I also tried this software out about a month ago. It's very restrictive because you can literally only deliver an ebook, but it's excellent. So it takes maybe 10 minutes to set it up, and they offer a great service. The other one is called PayHip. PayHip is also very, very good. So check them all out. I hope that you found that helpful, and as I mentioned in the video courses, I go into a lot of detail and I will explain to you every part of it so you can do it with confidence yourself. Okay, that's all. I promise. That's it. Have a great day.